Forgot your Befunky password? No worries, here's how to reset it in a flash. First, open the Befunky app or head to www.befunky.com on your computer. On the login page, tap or click on Forgot Password. You'll be asked to enter your registered email address, the one you used to create your account. Once entered, tap or click on Send Reset link. Go to your inbox and look for the email from Befunky. It might take a few seconds to arrive. Open the email and click on the reset link. Now, create a new secure password and confirm it. Then tap Save or Update. Now you are all set to log in with your new password. Make sure your new password is strong. Consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Did you reset your password successfully? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.